This contains rose glow raw. Hey guys, I'm Jennifer. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are going to discuss about the best of toners. So to know more about this, let's dive right into the video. So the first product on my list is the Good Vibes Pomegranate Glow Toner. This is a very affordable product and this retails for rupees 195, that is 120 ml, and there is another bigger size with 200 ml and that retails for 238, and this claims that it soothes, hydrates and moisturizes your skin and also adds that hydration to your skin, and this is a very nice product for beginners. So the second product on my list is the Good Vibes Honey Glow Toner. This is also from the same range. This is also super duper affordable. This claims that it imparts moisturizers, no parabens, no alcohol, and also perfect for dry skin. Honey moisturizes the skin and also it prevents the water loss. This is a 200 ml product and this retails for rupees 225. So the third toner in my list is the Dabur Gulabi Rose Glow Water. This is actually a rose water, but beginners can use this as a toner onto your face and then invest your money in your other actual toners. So this claims that it is for skin refreshment, tones and soothes your skin texture and provides continuous hydration. This is super duper affordable and it is a 100 ml product and it just retails for rupees 75. So the next toner in my list is the Plum Green Tea Alcohol Free Toner. This is perfect for acne prone skin. It claims that it shrinks pores, combats acne, tightens up skin, clarifies the skin and perfect for acne prone skin. This retails for rupees 390 and it is a 200 ml product, and acne prone beauties can definitely invest your money in this. So the next product onto my list is the L'Oreal Revital Crystal Micro Essence. So this is an amazing micro essence. It is formulated by salicylic acid. So salicylic acid is perfect for soothing your bumped texture skin, and I use this morning and evening. Just 3-4 drops is enough and just pat it on your skin and it penetrates 10 layers deep into the skin. That's what it claims. It penetrates 10 layers deep into the skin and provides that instant hydration. So if you have that small textured skin onto your skin, this is the toner that you have to use for. But actually this is not a toner, this is a micro essence. It contains active ingredients also, so before using this micro essence you have to definitely do a patch test. So these were the best of 5 toners that I showed you in this video that suits for all skin types. So yeah, if you like this video, please comment, share and subscribe to my channel, and also press the notification bell on, and also follow me on Instagram. Until then, see you in the next video. Bye bye.